Do you have trouble getting into tight spaces and hard to reach areas? Are you looking for more control when shaping tooth morphology? Do you want easier and faster and more predictable results for finishing and polishing? Here's a system that Catapult evaluators found mighty in its size for helping eliminate trouble in a flash. The Profin contour angle and accompanying laminar tips from Dentatus are a powerful tool to finish, polish, and contour restorations more precisely than the traditional methods. The lightweight contour angle handpiece fits all types of e-fitting motors, and the diamond-coated tips come in different shapes, grits, sizes, and they switch out easily. They're best used in sequential order to minimize scratching and plaque accumulation. Overhang or ledge created from excess bulk, no problem. Bad-looking contour from interproximal and subgingival residual bonding materials, they're no match for this tool. Probably one of the most difficult and annoying things about doing a Class 2 composite is that unless the sectional matrix is really nicely sealed against the proximal box, any composite that we smash in there is going to go everywhere, which can be a real problem. When this happens, my options are limited. That is until now. Profin can do things other solutions can't do because it can go places others can't go around in the entire dental arch, giving you superpowers when it comes to interproximal smoothing, contouring, and IPR reduction. My staff and I couldn't believe how effective and easy Profin was to use, and several evaluators in Catapult couldn't believe how long they practiced without it. Here is why Catapult evaluators loved Profin and why they wanted to use it more. The miniature head makes it easy to control and get it into all of the hard to reach tight spaces. And the reciprocating movement gives better control and it's safer for patients. Profin has two settings for ultimate control. Tips can float freely in the self-steering mode to follow tooth contours naturally, or you can lock the tips radially for total control. The choice is yours. The Profin works on natural dentition, it works on composite, it works on restorative materials and everything in between, and it follows natural contours. So there's no grooves or ditching or any of the things that you would normally expect with traditional rotary instruments. 3 out of 4 Catapult evaluators said that compared to discs, Profin was either better or much better. That's 75% of the evaluators, with several saying they're hooked and they can't go back to discs now. And 86% of evaluators said Profin was better or much better than strips because of the increased control and less chance of patient trauma. And if that wasn't enough, Profin is also a wonderful tool for interproximal reduction, IPR, during clear aligners. So if you do that, and who doesn't nowadays, you can also use the Profin to help you with your IPR. Profin's minimally invasive IPR system increases control and precision while also saving valuable time. Diamond saws and discs are tricky and they can lead to a bloody mess in a blink of an eye. Profin's unique reciprocating design makes it safe for gingiva, for tongue, for lips and cheeks. The IPR calibrated tips range from 0.1 millimeter all the way to 0.5 millimeter in thickness and diminish the risk of excessive stripping, and they lead to a more aesthetic result. One of the Catapult evaluators, and I agree with them, said that it's impossible to get in some of the same places that Profin does if you use a traditional handpiece. And of all of the Catapult evaluators that tried the Profin, 93% plan to continue using it and intend to recommend it to a colleague. This product is a must-have for natural and accurate finish for general dentists, periodontists, prosthodontists, and orthodontists. My staff found the Profin to be easy to learn and more fun to use. So if you're ready for modern finishing, polishing, IPR, this Profin is the most innovative system and it makes you the hero. Dentatus Profin is modern finishing, polishing, and IPR system deserving of Catapult's vote of confidence.